In today's video, I'll be showing you how to check the storage capacity on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So first, open the Settings app, then scroll and select Device Care. From here, tap on Storage. Then you should see your storage capacity and how much you've utilized so far. So you'll be given as a percentage. So it will tell you something like 26% used. Then it will give you the exact number against the total capacity that you have on your device. To see what is taking up the most and least amount of storage on your phone, tap on this option labeled Show More, and you can see all that information listed here. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.